Hello, today we're unboxing the Canon EOS M50 inspiration kit. Comes with the camera, one lens, a memory card and a backpack. Let's see. Here's the memory card. Papers. And camera. I'll get back to this in a second. Has one main pouch over here, and then another one up here for memory cards, things like that, and then a little one on this side, just maybe for extra thing that you want to carry with you. Here's how it looks like. And let's get to the actual camera. Papers, more papers, and battery. The lens. And the charger. Pretty standard Canon charger. And the camera itself. So this is the camera itself. It's pretty small, has some grip, but for big hands like me it's pretty small. You have the vlogger monitor over here. It's pretty useful for starting vloggers. I'm gonna put the lens on it. Let's see how it looks. Go. So this is how it looks like. It's a pretty good size. Just the grip is a little small, but if you use it with a tripod, it's pretty good. Let's put the battery in and see how the quality looks like. So this is the 32GB memory card that comes with the camera. It's a 32GB SanDisk extreme. We're going to put it in the camera and see. Before we check out the camera, let's check out this little band that came with it. So pretty standard, has the EOS on it and Canon over here, and you can connect it to these two little places on the both sides, which I'm not going to do. I don't like bands, so if you like it, you like it. Okay, so let's see the picture quality. It's pretty good. I will put it in right now. So overall, it's a pretty good camera. I like it. It's pretty good as far as focusing and everything else. It has good features on it. It's not too heavy, but it's not cheaply made neither. For the price, I bought this $500 from Costco, and it came, as you saw, it came with the camera and the bag and the memory card, which is essentially all you need to start using a camera. So it's a pretty good starter pack for whoever wants to start taking photos, start YouTube, blogging. It's a pretty good camera. So this is it for this video. Thank you for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you liked it, hit the like button. If you want to see more, hit the subscribe, and have a good one.